In this video, I'll show you how you can get the dynamic zoom effect in Davinci Resolve 16. So to start this off, I actually opened a clip in my timeline and I clicked on edit. So that's step number one, and you want to make sure to do that as well. Now, right here's the clip that I want to do the dynamic zoom on. So all you need to do is select a clip by using the select tool, click on it, and you will then automatically select a clip. Next up, you can click on inspector right there, and you'll then see all of these effects. Now right there you'll see the dynamic zoom. First of all, you want to enable this right there, and you should see this red icon, which is great, and then double click and you can then choose what kind of dynamic zoom you want to use. So we have linear, ease in, ease out, ease in, and ease out. So choose the one that you would like to use. I'll just go with ease out right there, and you can see that this will then have this dynamic zoom out effect. So if I just drag this over here, and there you go. So I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that, because this might be lagging, but this is how you can add the dynamic zoom effect with ease. So all you need to do is select it right here, and you can see that it will actually zoom in as well. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works or if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.